Good morning! Good morning, Zachary! Good morning, Ate! I love you both! Oh, hi, Zachary! Good morning! Oh, you're gonna go potty already? You never used it yet? Yeah, you were just practicing. Good practice in the toilet, okay? Okay? Wanna use that? Hi, Zachary! Are you excited to potty train? Yes, you're gonna go in the toilet, okay? I don't know why you bring it here. Huh? In your room? Ah, this is Kaylee's room. Yes. This is Kaylee's room. Let's open the door. The window. You have your giraffe. You have your baby. Yeah? Okay, bye.